Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Students, we have completed one chapter in EVS, and today I'm going to start a new chapter, chapter 12, Workforce and Energy. Now, today I will only read the chapter for you, that to 2 pages, 62 and 63. So, students, you will sit with your book and open at page 62. I'm starting. You probably think a force is used only when someone pushes something very heavy or does something very difficult, but that is not true. You see a force when you comb your hair, brush your teeth, or do many other ordinary things. What is a force? The simplest way to describe a force is to say that it is a pull or a push. A push is a force. A pull is a force. Now, what does force do? A force can make things move. A force can stop a moving thing. A force can change the direction in which something is moving. A force can change the shape of the object. Now come to the next page. Some forces around us. There are many forces acting around us all the time. Let us discuss some of this force. Friction. How will you know that there is a friction? One experiment is given. Place a small box on the floor and give it a push. It will move for a short while and then stop. Repeat the activity using other surfaces like wood, glass, and so on. Now come to the next paragraph. What makes the box stop moving? Whenever one surface moves over another, a force called friction or the force of friction tries to stop the movement. It also tries not to let a body start moving. So we say friction opposes motion. Friction is greater when the surfaces are rough. That is why it is more difficult to move things over a rough surface than over a smooth one. The good and bad sides of friction. Sometimes friction is helpful. It is friction that helps us write on paper. Writing on smooth surfaces like glass is difficult because of low friction. Friction helps us walk too. When the floor is very smooth or slippery with water, we tend to slip because friction is reduced. Friction can be a problem too. For example, it is bad for machines. It does not let them move smoothly. That is why people oil their sewing machine and bicycles. Oil makes surfaces smooth, which reduces friction. Now come to the next paragraph. Gravity. What if you threw a ball up into the air and it flew away? Lucky that it does not, or you would not be able to play. The force that pulls the ball down is called gravitational force. The Earth's gravitational force or gravity pulls everything on or near it. Gravitational force pulls us too. That is how we have our feet on the ground. Without it, we would be flying around. So would everything around us. Tables, chairs, books, cars, and so on. So students, this way you will read 62 and 63 page number. Next 2 pages we will do the next day. Thank you.